And if you look in Palestine, all of the killed people are civilians, and the kill from the Israeli side are the soldiers, and they are talking about us that we are terrorists.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your brother Hamze from AC Media Production. Today I'm with my boy Khalid.
And today we're here to record a video about Gaza. We've seen a lot of videos around the world that people are asking random people what's happening in Gaza. And so let's see what Malaysia has to say.
Malaysia!
We are coming!
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Assalamu.
Brother, why do you think Israeli soldiers are killing Palestinian children?
بداية يعني من البديهي والمنطقي انه ما الجيش الاسرائيلي لا يقتل المدنيين او الجنود الحمساويه والقساميه ليس للدفاع عن اراضيهم بل هي ارض فلسطين.
I don't really know, but all I know is it's a tragedy. It's disgusting what they're doing. I think they're being very, very reckless.
They are trying to take their territory, but it's not their territory. So for me, they are being coward and just trying to kill everybody so they can take over the place.
Killing many Palestinian children is for a lot of reasons, basically. When you see a whole system is targeting the children, it means that they are sending a message to the whole world with the amount of arrogance they have towards the humanitarian causes.
Kita orang Palestin because diorang tak nak anak-anak Islam bagi itu pewaris. So diorang nak bunuh pewaris tu supaya itu adalah kekuatan bagi Palestin untuk menguasai diorang. So itu sebab tu.
They are killing them. They are taking their land because the Gaza is belongs to the Palestine.
I think it's an unfair and unnecessary use of force against a huge amount of people that are doing nothing wrong, and yeah, it's not something that should be allowed to continue.
Killing our people, they destroy the hospitals. More than 60 mosques in Palestine.
It's because they wanted their land, okay? So they wanted to control all the Muslims world, and yeah, that's why I guess they are killing Gaza.
Yeah, what message do you have to the world?
So the world, we wish that the international community really support Palestine.
I think the message is to really open your eyes and look at the whole scope of what's going on.
I think everyone needs to get together, gather around, support, like what we're doing here today, and try and gather some support and help in any way we can.
Well, stop killing. Peace, please. Everybody needs peace.
رسالتي للعالم أن يكون هناك تضامن وتكاتف لنصرة القضية الفلسطينية ليست قضية فلسطين فحسب بل قضية العالم بأسره.
And please keep your support, focus on your political support and on your moral support, as that's what the Palestinians are looking for, actually.
I hope you guys are united to stand for Gaza because they are needing our help, and the Egyptians especially, not the Egyptians, I mean the government of the Egypt, the President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping that you're going to help them because Gaza really needed their help. You know?
Which country you support, Palestine or Israel?
Yeah, I don't take sides, man. You know, it's I don't like how the Palestinians are being persecuted.
I'm from the UK.
I'm from Nigeria.
I'm from Brazil.
من سوريا.
From Malaysia.
I support Gaza.
And I support Gaza.
Support the Gaza.
I support Gaza to the max.
I support Gaza.
I support Gaza.
And I support Gaza. Support Gaza.
I'm Dr. Ahmed. I'm from Palestine and I'm from embassy here, and we are really feeling very bad, unbelievable what happened.
I support Gaza.
China, stop the genocide in Gaza. Stop.
Stop.